Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay with Venmo at Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method. So just make sure you follow along and watch the video till the end. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, access your Walmart by going to walmart.com. As soon as you do that, this is how the interface is gonna pop up. Now simply go ahead and sign in. As soon as you sign in, right, you can simply go to your card. Right, for right now I do not have anything, so I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna add any particular item on my Walmart. Likewise, let's go ahead, go here, and I'm gonna do it to add to cart. Now I will be here in the cart section, and you can see I will have this particular product, right? I'm gonna go to the continue to checkout just like we normally will do. And right over here I just have to add my shipping address, and if you scroll down here in the payment method section, we will have payment method available including Venmo. But in case if you don't see the Venmo, you're going to go to the add debit or credit card. As soon as you do that, go ahead, add in your Venmo card details right over there, confirm the payment and pay with it. So that's how easy it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.